the roll, how you hold. There are a lot of people who hold in so many different ways. I'm a pencil holder. I'm going to be honest. Sometimes my hand will come this way as well, but I'm more of a pencil holder. And when we say the hook is facing you, so I'm going to put it in the direction that it's going. So now the hook is facing me. And what you actually want to do is roll down. Before you can even roll down, you have to first pull it underneath the grid and wrap the hair over it. And then you're going to roll it down, and there's a slight pull to get it through the knot. And then you're going to complete the roll by moving in the direction the hair is going to be laying. So that means you're pulling away. And that gives you the tension that you're probably looking for, or you feel like you're lacking if your knots don't look pretty tight to you. It could be that you're not putting enough of the tension back and forth. So I'm going to demonstrate it. Does that make sense? Or
Yes.
is anybody else having that same issue?
Yes, with the tension of the knots. Yes.
The tension of the knots.
Yeah.
Okay, so trick number one, the more hair you pull up or you ventilate, the harder it is going to be able to tighten that knot.
Right.
That one, we already got that one pretty clear. The other is the less hair. You already know it's just really the opposite. But the less hair that you pick up, the easier it is. So I'm going to demonstrate it. So I'm going to put it underneath.